Hi everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Sherry.
Right here at John Howerton Honda in Beckley.
You are going to love the 2020 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one cargo area light, trip odometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Hi everyone, I'm John Howerton with John Howerton Honda right here in Beckley. I feel so blessed with all the great folks I've met. And you know, a dealer will come along every once in a while and beat our price or payment by just a teeny little bit. But you know what? They'll never beat our people here and our willingness to help you before and after the sale. Because here at John Howerton Honda, it's all about relationships.
Hey, John.
Hey, Pete. I'll be with you in a second. Sorry, I got to go. I want my cup of coffee. Hey, come see us.